To apply the Dale tracheostomy tube holder, begin by separating the two sections and thread the fastener tab through the flange of the tracheostomy tube. Bring the tab over the flange and adhere it back onto the neckband. Next, bring the neckband behind the patient's neck. Thread the remaining fastener tab through the flange and fasten it back onto the neckband. Adjust and secure the fastener tab on the short portion of the neckband to the soft material on the long portion of the neckband for proper length and compression. Cut off excess material as required for a proper fit. Now remove the twill that was holding the tracheostomy tube in place. For your post-op patients, or where heavy secretions are present, you may allow a longer loop in the fastener tabs to help keep the neckband from becoming soiled. The moisture-repellent lining of the neckband is soft and will not narrow down, rope, or constrict. The stretch section allows for edema, coughing, and patient movement. This, combined with the superior holding fastener tabs, assures a secure, comfortable fit and reliable positioning of the tube. The Dale tracheostomy tube holder is designed for single patient use and is available in adult and pediatric sizes. Do not wash or sterilize for use on other patients. The Dale tracheostomy tube holder has additional benefits. It's the only tracheostomy tube holder made with exclusive fastener tabs that assure secure stabilization of the tracheostomy tube. The tab on the neckband is designed to prevent skin irritation. The moisture-repellent neckband is easy to apply, adjusts to most neck sizes, is non-restrictive, latex-free, and is comfortable to wear. What's more, it reduces nursing time and allows you to take hold of patients' tracheostomy care.